Whoa, 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 whoa! No, I did not. You opened the Mandarin side. Flip it over. So because we're installing an AMD CPU, shout out AMD, $5,000 Ultimate Tech upgrade, we're going to be installing this type of cooler, an AM5/AM4. So you're going to want to follow those instructions.
So remove the plastic brackets.
Cool.
Let's use this bad boy.
Cool.
It's actually really nice. Good job, CW. Or would it be who?
It was actually me. I did all the work.
No sh. Oh.
You're shilling too hard. While we're doing this, we could get Reese to do something. He could set up your new monitor.
But I wanted to unbox it.
Yeah, but at the pace we're going here, we kind of need some help.
You're right.
Reese, can you set up his, what did you get? Like a 4, oh my gosh.